I watched this video on YouTube and I decided to do its proper in-depth backtesting process to figure out how much we can earn by following this strategy. So first of all, I will show you very clear buy and sell signal from this indicator on the chart, and then in the second part of this video I will show you the results of the trades, how much it make money, how much loss, how much drawdown, and at the end finally I will show you the exact setting what I have used. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see on the chart I have applied these two indicators. The first indicator is here, volatility Gaussian bands, which is on the main screen, and this one is the second indicator on the separate window. As you can see on the screen, the buy and sell signal are very clear. So here when it gives a sell signal and the RMSC indicator line is a red, I will open a sell trade exactly on the closing of this candle. I will set my SL at swing high, the last swing high, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and it hit TP. And for a buy trade, here should be a buy signal and the line must be green, but here it's a red line. So now I will wait for this line to turn green. As I see on this candle, it turns green. So I will open a buy trade here and I will set the SL at below the last swing low. So the latest swing low is this one and the biggest swing low is like this one. So I will set this one and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So this is the very simple strategy. Now let's move to the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here you can see this strategy is totally useless strategy. And when I watched this video, I was very excited that I found a very good strategy, but this is totally useless strategy. Here you can see it made a total net profit of minus $1.6. The overall profit is in minus and the win rate is 39%. I have tested it on the last 104 trades. It made minus 1.60. Overall, I am in the loss. Here the graph, you can see it is not going up or not going down. Like it's going straight horizontally. There is no big profit or loss. It's totally useless strategy. And now let me show you the settings what I am using. Here let me show you the settings of the indicator volatility Gaussian band and also the default settings of this indicator RMSC Bollinger Band plus loop. The same exact settings you can use. These are the default settings. And finally, I will not prefer to use this strategy on live account because this strategy not give a promising results, not positive results. I hope this video save you a lot of time and efforts and money. So don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.